What you doing? Is that a mama or that the little girl? It's morning in the hood time. This thing turned on. There's two of them. That's that pileated woodpecker. There's two of them. You just heard it. You saw one in that pine tree somewhere. And one over there at that guy's house. We got peanuts for the girls in the morning. Good morning, girls. Anybody want a peanut? Y'all running. Yes, we got all kids. We got no good mamas up. Not a single mama. Anyway, it's morning in the hood, and I'll try to keep my eye out for that pileated woodpecker, which I'm calling Woody, which I gotta call Woodies, because it looks like there's two. Anyway, it's time to set up in the hood. I'm gonna guess the woodpecker's over here. You want peanut, honey? I'm not getting any peanut takers, so it sounds like he's on this tree again that I finally found him at. Oh, there he is right there. Holy moly, glasses. Zoom, where are you? Did you see? I hope you saw. Let me find him. I will find him. It'll take me a minute, guys and gals. Where is he? Do you see him? Yeah, I see him. He's right there. He will not come out from behind them tree leaves. Let me get him on lens so I can watch him. Right there. There we got a little blink of his head. Not that far away, guys and gals. I love the woodpeckers. Now we know there's two, because I just pointed in both directions where they are. Go up a little further, buddy, and then to the right, if you could. I got the sniffles, guys and gals. I'm sorry. Pileated a little higher, please. Look it up. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Look at that hair. Look at that woodpecker. Shit, I think I see another one out of my corner of my eye. That was a cool few minutes with that pileated woodpecker, who I'm calling Woodies. Gotta put plural on there because I know there's two. See if we can find this one over here. Oh, yeah, grackles are here. Well, let me set up, guys and gals. I haven't done anything for anybody yet. I haven't gave away a single peanut because I don't have mamas awake yet. It's chilly last night, so they're not gonna come out of their huddle. That was cool. Good first morning thing to see that.